Hi, to maximize battery life on Xiaomi 13, as a first step, let's check the battery health. For that, open phone app, here tap on the keypad and enter this secret code, asterisk hash, then 6485 hash, asterisk. And now we got this list of letters and numbers. We are interested in this one. MB06. This is our battery health. If you got this word good like I do, then everything is just fine and we can go to the next step. For that we need to open settings. Here select battery tab, go in the current mode. I misclicked, let's go in the current mode. And now from balanced we need to switch to the battery saver. It will help you reduce power consumption. Just tap on it to enable. If you need even more savings, choose Ultra Battery Saver mode, which disables most functions except the most essential ones such as calls and messages. For that, you will need to tap on the Ultra Battery Saver. Now we need to go in the battery checkup, and here we can see some suggestions as turn on dark mode, turn off always on display, and time which will be added if we perform and follow these steps. So for example, I can select clear memory like that and add 10 minutes of extra use. And now we optimize 2 items, which is great. Let's move on to the next thing, which is disabling personalized ads. For that, we need to go back in the main settings. From here, choose fingerprint, face data and screen lock, then tap on the privacy and here select add services. And make sure that personalized ads are disabled here so the switcher is simply gray. And we can go to the next thing, which is location. Of course, location. Here we would need to select it from the list. After that, we can also see apps which uses our location, so we can go in app permissions, here find location and switch to don't allow if you don't use this app, just like that. And also go in location services and here disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. We don't need those features, but disabling them will help us maximize battery life. And now let's go back in the main settings, but for now select sound and vibration. And here we would need to manage our vibrations, so just scroll a bit. You can disable vibrate for calls, vibrate in silent mode, go in additional settings, and here disable system sounds. And also adjust the ringtone volume, alarm volume, and here if you got haptic feedback enabled, you would need to change haptic feedback level and set it to the minimum like that. And after that, go in the display and brightness, and here adjust the brightness of the screen first, and after that you can switch to the dark mode like this. And after that, you would need to scroll a bit, go in refresh rate, and here switch from the default version to custom and choose manually 60 Hz refresh rate. And the last advice, we can disable Wi-Fi, mobile data and personal hotspot when you don't use them. So go in Wi-Fi, disable it by tapping on the switcher, do just the same with mobile data here. And don't forget about your portable hotspot, make sure it is disabled as well. And if you got live wallpapers, then simply set usual ones. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.